Hello, my name's Jonathan, and I'm here with Lasar, where we've been certified Mooney specialists for over 40 years. Today I want to talk to you about some of the more common concerns regarding the parts and maintenance for your Mooney. Let's talk shop. Today we're talking about your Mooney's fuselage. The fuselage of a Mooney is one of the safest, if not the safest one offered to pilots by factory-produced general aviation aircraft. The guts of the Mooney fuselage is made of 4130 chromoly steel and is referred to by many as being a roll cage. Constructed much like a modern-day NASCAR, it's designed to protect the pilot and passengers in the event of an accident. It is gusseted and cross-braced to give the aircraft a strong base to be built around. The fuselage is an area that can be easily overlooked because it's so strong and stable. At Lasar, we ensure the maintenance of your fuselage by inspecting, cleaning, and protecting it from corrosion. Years ago, there was a service bulletin that addressed the corrosion of the fuselage, especially in planes based in salty air environments. We address this problem and make sure that your plane is well protected. We also offer replacement parts for the tail cone fairings that can get impinged or loosened and lost in flight. We carry one-piece and multi-piece composite belly skins, as well as the formers and bulkheads that can need replacing due to unfortunate circumstances. At Lasar, we have an ST seed kit to change the old multi-pieced belly parts with a one-piece smooth-bellied kit, which decreases wind resistance and improves fuel efficiency. We also offer replacement windows for aged aircraft or for those wanting the more modern UV protection type of window. We sure hope you found that video helpful. If you did, be sure to like and share it on Facebook with your friends, and like it on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. If you have any other questions regarding the maintenance or parts for your Mooney, give us a call at Lasar or visit us online at lasar.com and we'll get you taken care of. Until next time, I'm Jonathan with Lasar. Take care.